Why are there not more people talking about leveraging local events for a digital boost? Let's dive into the world of SEO and local events. Picture this, your town's annual music festival. Now think beyond the beats to the buzz it could create online for your business. First up, event listings. Listing your business as a participant or sponsor on event pages can link back to your site, bumping up your visibility. And don't forget social media. Sharing behind-the-scenes shots or live updates during the event not only engages followers, but also improves your local search rankings as Google loves active, locally focused content. Here's where it gets spicy reviews and user-generated content. Encourage attendees to leave reviews or share experiences linked to your business. This real-time feedback boosts credibility and, you guessed it, your SEO rankings. Now, if you're scratching your head thinking, great, but how do I start? That's where Authority Solutions comes in. They specialize in weaving your local engagement into a broader SEO strategy, ensuring your small events lead to big impacts. Ready to get your local event working overtime for your SEO? Hit that like button, subscribe, and bang the notification bell for more savvy SEO tips. Let's get that digital crowd cheering for you.